I think the KTM bloodline runs pretty strong up in the hills. It seems like it's the bike of choice for a lot of riders up here. My dad and his mates have cut in some of the most legendary trails around in these hills. I was born straight into a KTM family. My brother raced KTMs, my dad raced KTMs, and I've been on one since the 65. Hi, I'm Mcgillivray. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Porepunkah, Victoria, the base of Falls Creek and Mount Hotham. Dreams aren't made on the couch. You've got to get out there and get after it. Over the years, we've created an environment ideal for my training. On our doorstep, we've got some of the best mountain bike tracks in Australia, which is ideal for cross training. Over COVID, we spent a few weeks cutting in a mountain bike track from the top of our ridge right to the bottom on our farm. We've made motocross tracks and enduro loops. It's handy every time Milner comes up. It's been very beneficial sharing his experience to finesse my skills and gain a bit more speed. I've loved growing up riding the same trails Dad and his mates have for the last 40 years. Excited to get back to the track in 2021. A new year, new class, and new challenges.